So research has demonstrated that the best way to speed up your metabolism is not to do moderate intensity exercise. That can actually slow your metabolism, but to do very high intensity exercise for short durations. So really our goal is around 2 minutes. We usually start people at about a minute. And traditionally, you've had to do jumping jacks or burpees, things like that, to really get your heart rate and to tax yourself to the point to reach that high intensity exercise level. The problem with that is it's really tough on our joints. So with using this system, we can actually decompress the joints, and especially a system where the unloading is from straight above, not from an angle. So the idea here is I'm going to push myself as hard as I basically can for up to 2 minutes, and then I'm going to check my pulse rate, and I'm going to hope that I'm up to at least 80–85% of my max heart rate, which for me would be around 140 to 145. So I'm going to be directly under this, and for today we'll just do this for about a minute, okay? And I'm going to count how many repetitions I do in that minute, because as I get better condition, I would hope that the duration would increase. So from this position, I'm going to start my timer. So you hit the timer, and then you start exercising. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If your legs start getting tired, you might have to use your arms a little bit more. If your arms start getting tired, you might have to use your legs a little bit more. But the idea is to do this basically as fast as you can. But if you start getting any, pain associated with this, any, significant heaviness in your chest, dizziness, anything like that, of course stop. Now my shoulders are getting tired, so I'm going to have to do more of this with my legs. And that's not very long. I'm already pretty taxed. I've done it about a minute. So I'm going to take my pulse rate and see where it is. I'm going to try to get that as soon as I can. So right there. And then I'm going to take my pulse rate. Actually. So there I'm up to 154. I'm getting enough oxygen. I'm at 98%. So in that case, I worked closer to, 85 to 90% of my max. But that's the kind of high intensity workout changes our metabolism. Now the idea is to fully recover from this, and that's what I'm going to do now.